You're like a gentle hug on a hard day, the soft touch that takes it all away. And when we kiss, it puts my mind at ease. Feels like home to me. You're like a long walk on a summer night, holding hands underneath the moonlight. And in that moment, I find my sense of peace. Feels like home to me. Yeah. Feels like home, right next to you is where I belong. Safe and warm, wrapped up in your arms, holding tight, just right. Well, there's no place on earth I wanna be, 'cause here with you feels like home to me. I'm gonna plant my heart, put down some roots, and watch it grow. Girl, gonna see us through, 'cause I found the one